I never imagined that smart agriculture could improve crop yield and quality in this way. With the rapid development of science and technology, advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and big data are gradually penetrating into agricultural production, bringing us an agricultural revolution. Today, let's take a look at how smart agriculture stands out from traditional farming methods for farmers. Agricultural practitioners and those interested in agricultural science and technology provide new ideas and methods. We need to recognize the importance of precision agriculture management, and through smart farming tools equipped with various sensors and monitoring equipment, we can monitor key indicators such as soil moisture and crop growth in real time, accurately calculate the demand for fertilization and irrigation, reduce waste, and ensure the healthy growth of crops. This kind of personalized management and service provides farmers with a more professional and refined agricultural livelihood. Next, let's talk about the application of intelligent agricultural machinery and robots. Equipped with artificial intelligence systems and automated control technology, these agricultural machinery and robots are able to autonomously complete tasks such as sowing, harvesting, and weeding. Compared with traditional manual labor and mechanical operation, they have higher work efficiency and precision, and they reduce the labor intensity of farmers. The productivity and quality of agricultural production have been improved. How does AI affect crop yields? On the one hand, through the analysis and prediction of agricultural data, the artificial intelligence system can optimize the agricultural production process, automatically adjust the working mode and parameter settings of the operating equipment, and realize the refined management and optimal control of the production process. This optimization not only improves production efficiency and quality, reduces resource waste, but also reduces farmers' labor intensity and improves agricultural efficiency. The economic efficiency and sustainable development of agricultural production. On the other hand, artificial intelligence technology predicts the best planting plan and management measures through the comprehensive analysis of soil meteorological crop growth data, and provides scientific and reasonable planting suggestions, so as to improve the growth rate and yield level of crops. At the same time, precise fertilization and precise irrigation and other technical means can meet the needs of crop growth to the greatest extent. Ensure that crops get sufficient nutrients and water during the growth process, and improve the yield and quality of crops. The application cases and technologies of smart agriculture are emerging in an endless stream, starting from the actual situation of farmland. Artificial intelligence technology is used to carry out operations such as precise fertilization, precise irrigation, and precise weeding to maximize the efficiency and resource utilization of agricultural production. This not only helps farmers achieve high yields and high quality, but also provides strong support for agricultural modernization to improve agricultural production efficiency and ensure food security. The development of smart agriculture brings us new hopes and opportunities by mastering these application technologies. We can better adapt to the development trend of modern agriculture, improve agricultural production efficiency, and achieve high yield and high quality of crops. Let's work together to promote the development of smart agriculture and create more possibilities for the future of agriculture.